Hey guys, it's Pauline. I wanted to show you guys what I have been carrying. I love this bag. This is definitely going to be a forever bag. And so I thought I would show you what will all fit in it. This is one of those medium city totes. I think of it as a small. But this came with, well, I bought this by itself. I don't know, maybe about 2 years ago. This was, I think, a February Valentine's Day thing. But anyway, I don't have much in here. I think I just have a couple of mints. And then this is either Amazon or Temu, and I thought it looked, I know it doesn't go with this, but I thought it gave a nice contrast actually, so I thought it was cute. All right, and then I'm going to show you what I have in it. This is a bird's eye view. I do have it packed to the gills, so let's see. So I had this just kind of hanging off the top here, so it won't necessarily use up a lot of real estate. So I have this fairly expensive sunglass case. I didn't have the sunglasses in it. I had my little Dollar Tree readers in it. So I'm going to be changing this out for something else. So I thought I would show you guys what I had in it. I did have notebook. I love this notebook. It's so cute. And this one, I made it into, now this is like a Temu or something. I had this in my stash. Just my makeup bag. Super cute. And then I bought this a few drops ago. This is like different little cards. Super cute. I love that color red. And then I use this this mini terry as a catch-all. And so it has like leftover stuff. It was kind of like a tech pouch. And because we got two earbuds here. I don't know if you can see all that. We got two different makers of earbuds here. And then we got a power bank there. We got a mirror, lotion. This is so cute. I got this from another YouTuber. This is a nail kit, and it takes up very little room. Super cute. Her name was the Novel Crown, and a backup mascara. I love that particular mascara, by the way. All right, and then so I'm kind of going with red, black. So I got this. I don't have any other pieces that go with this, but I thought this was really cute. And so, got a little cash back here. I hardly ever have cash, but I do today. All right. That. And let's see what we got left. We got my health information type of little wallet. I love this wallet. This is a Kurt Geiger. I love this thing. I wear it a lot. All right. And then some more lotions, because girl be ashy. And we got sanitizer back there in the little pocket. Have a little snack for emergencies. This is like nausea medicine and such. All right, got my work badge, gum, my medicine, earrings, mints. All right, and that's it. Oops, sorry. And she's empty. And it is time to put something else. Go to the next purse. But I thought I would show y'all what all can fit in here. It's a lot. In the small, I call it the small. They call it the medium. City tote. All right, and that is what I had to share today, guys. I wonder who else picked this up. I had been debating if I wanted this or the Terry. I'm so glad I picked this. But anyway, I would love to hear what you think about it, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.